Flash Cover, a leading company in the tonneau cover segment. Through the hard work of executive directors Marcio Caldera and Andresa Caldera, Flash Cover was founded in the year 2000. It entered the market with full force and became a specialist and a benchmark in the manufacturing of high-performance and practical tonneau covers for both domestic and imported pickup trucks. With innovative design and cutting-edge technology, it quickly became a sales success. In fact, the largest tonneau cover company in Latin America and a global reference in the segment. A solidified position with over 8 million tonneau covers produced.
I worked in the pickup truck market back and in Sao Paulo from 1995 to 1999. So I learned everything about pickup trucks, from bed liners, which I used to manufacture, to roll bars and side steps. And I said, no, the time will come. I wanted to create a different kind of cover. That's when the brand was born, the quick release cover. And that's when my dream was born, to create a tonneau cover where the button fit directly into the frame. It was a revolution in the market. People liked it, embraced the idea, and we gradually grew, becoming known in the market as a different kind of tonneau cover, so to speak.
One of the key differentiators is that Flash Cover is constantly evolving, being a vertically integrated company, from raw materials to final product delivery. Flash Cover is meticulous in every detail, always bringing technology and global trends with ultra-resistant materials and dimensional precision. With a monthly production of over 70,000 tonneau covers, it plays a fundamental role in the automotive accessories chain. On an assembly line connected with research and development, it operates in quality control, ensuring the high standard and continuous improvement of the tonneau covers, which are certified and regulated. International Quality Management System. Responsibility in the Environmental Management System. International Quality Management for the automotive industry. International Occupational Health and Safety Management. Global Information Security Standard for the automotive industry. Flash Cover, a renowned brand and global reference, transformed and innovated the tonneau cover industry. And its global automotive industrial productivity, which is embedded in the pickup truck sector and exports to more than 20 countries across 5 continents around the world. Approved by the major automakers, being the #1 choice.
Our focus is to improve efficiency, reduce assembly time, and elevate quality.
Flash Cover's productive globalization relies on national and international logistics among automakers, distributors, and e-commerce, operating actively in the aftermarket.
Flash Cover's success is due to the synergy of our team, which tirelessly strives to exceed the expectations of thousands of consumers around the world, delivering a unique experience with the best products in the segment.
All this success is made possible by the dedication and expertise of over 900 team members who make up the Flash Cover family and receive full support to work with peace of mind. And they support the entire community through social actions. Flash Cover, aiming to meet the needs of our customers, ensures the highest quality and robustness in our 4 lines of tonneau covers. Flash Fold, Flash All Black, Flash Roller, and Flash Force. No matter what your pickup is, Flash Cover has the perfect tonneau cover for you. Flash Cover.